relationships na magpapaganda sa ating season 2. Okay?
Alright, so let's get to know more about yung actors natin, no? And of course, I'll be speaking English for you. If you need any translation, yeah, I'll be here. Alright, so let's get to know you one by one, and I'll also ask you a question. Okay, so right now, there is a character that is going to be, is called Celine. May we know who plays Celine? It's Jazzo, yes. So, can you tell us more about your character first before I go to your question? Alright, the microphone's there.
Si Celine po, she's very lively, very outgoing, and girlfriend po siya ni Royce. Yes. So, ayun po, very kikay din po siya, very much like my personality din.
Alright, so thank you for that. Now I'd like to ask you a question so that we can get to know you more. So, is it easier to fall in love or admit that you already did?
For me, it's much easier to admit that you already did. Kasi, for me, it's much harder to hide your feelings and kapag kinikilig ka, mas mahirap siya itago.
Nangyari na ba yan?
Okay, parang may hugot ata ito.
May hugot eh. May pinag-aminan ka na ba ng love o may umamin na sa'yo ng pagmamahal?
Is it based on experience?
Yes,
In
it's
English
based
ba?
on experience.
Young love.
Young love.
Sana
Puppy
pwede-
love.
Oo. Sana pwede tayong bumalik sa ganyang pakiramdam.
Di ba peers lang kayo? Same
Yes.
age? Yes.
Oo. Same
Okay.
age nung 1982.
Okay. Alright. Sige, how about you? Mark, you wanna ask anyone? From our
Yes,
cast
ako naman
members?
pupuntahan ko si Gabo. Ayan. Gabo,
Hello po, good
sige,
afternoon.
kwentuhan mo muna kami anong character mo dito sa season 2.
So, I will be playing the role of Berna. So, siya yung college student na very flamboyant na bakla na arts inclined. So, very as how I would see it, very talagang outgoing, very loud, pero at the same time, talagang tinututukan niya yung role niya sa kaibigan.
Yan. Ako, ang gusto kong malaman, ilang beses ka na nasaktan? Oh.
Mega.
Napaka-atras ka eh, no?
Ilang beses?
Ilang beses na?
Ilang beses.
Oo.
Siguro mga below 10.
Mga bilote. Actually, ang follow-up question ko dyan, para sa'yo, yung mga heartaches ba na naramdaman mo makes you stronger or makes it parang more careful ka next time?
Sa personality ko kasi, parang ina-acknowledge ko kahit man nasaktan ako or kahit man yung isang magandang bagay nangyari sa akin. Kahit man nasaktan man ako, parang mas inaano ko siya na as a lesson. So, yung personality ko kasi is parang very, kahit na masaktan ako, go lang. So, YOLO, kumbaga. So, hindi ako yung tipo na nag-iingat eh. Talagang sugal.
Kumbaga wala kang walling experience.
Yes, oo.
Walang ganun. No?
Wala.
Siguro maraming nakaka-relate dyan, no? Yung
Yes.
mga nasaktan na. Pero sana, di ba, pag nasaktan ka, sana it makes you stronger.
Of course
Parang
naman.
based on your experience,
Parang
ang
based on
sinasabi
my
mo eh.
experience.
Baka dapat ikaw yung tinatanong. So,
Sige,
nag-wall ka na ba?
direct palit tayo. Go ahead, Dave.
Alright, so now let's go to the next one since malapit na si Caleb sa akin, no? Caleb, why don't you talk about your role?
Ayun nga, as usual, si Royce, yun yung makulit sa barkada, yung nagbibigay ng light. At saka yung maloko, yung typical na alam yung gesture. Ganun.
Typical gesture. So, is there any difference from the role that you played before? Like, mature pa siya or
Oo,
any
nag-mature
difference? Mature how?
Nag-mature siya
Physically?
kung paano niya nakikita yung view ng mundo at saka kung paano niya nakikita ang view ng tao sa love.
Okay, interesting. So, Gabo mentioned a while ago na, okay, we learn from these relationships and experiences, getting hurt and all these things, diba? So, I wanted to ask you, what's one thing you learn about yourself after masaktan ka or after getting hurt? Patay.
Wala niya sa Zoom eh. Wala nag-internet. Joke lang. Joke lang. Ayun, going back. Natutunan ko sa sarili ko, kapag nasasaktan ka pala, malalaman mo na mahal mo yung sarili mo. Kasi, yung kapag wala nagko-comfort sa'yo, i-comfort mo yung sarili mo eh. So doon mo mapapakita na, okay, mahal mo nga yung sarili mo. Tapos from there, kasi diba parang naniniwala ko, paano ka man ako magbibigay ng love kung wala ka naman sa sarili mo mismo? If that makes sense.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Is that based on experience then?
Ay,
Ay, hindi. So you've never been hurt? So gawa-gawa mo lang yan?
hindi, gawa lang yan.
Ayaw niya lang umamin na na-hurt din siya before.
Walang ganun.
Bawal umamin.
Oh, bawal umamin.
Hulog ay huli pero hindi
Oh, hindi
kulog.
kulong.
Puntahan naman natin si Angelica. Angelica, sino naman si Ashley sa bagong series na to?
Hi everyone, I'm Angelica Lambo and I'll be playing the new Ashley. So, kasi ka siya, sorry.
Ano ang character
may
ni Ashley dito?
Yung character po dito ni Ashley is, she's confident and soft-hearted and vulnerable. So,
Makikichismis naman ako sa'yo bilang si Angelica. Have you ever liked someone but did not say anything about them? Nangyari na ba yan?
yes, actually most of the time. Kasi bilang babae, syempre, ang hirap umamin sa lalaki. Kasi parang, may feeling, parang nakakataas kasi ng ego ng guys yun eh. And for me kasi, naihiya lang talaga ako. Kasi baka, mahirap na pag na-reject ka ng taong gusto mo tapos hindi ka pala gusto. Right?
Thank you, Angelica.
Alright, now let's go on to Jake. Jake, why don't you tell us about your role naman?
I'm Jake. Ako po yung si Tom dito. Ako po yung former ex ni Rev. And ako po yung team captain ng swim team namin. And yung ano ko po dito is very arrogant, charismatic. At ako yung parang tao na kinakahiya si Rev na ipakita sa teammates namin sa buong campus na mag-ex kami, na naging mag-jowa kami, parang gano'n. Yun po.
Alright, here's a question for you since you're talking about exes, no? Do you believe in second chances in love?
For me, it's depend on the situation. But balance, for me balance, if mapag-usapan nyo na maayos, kung magiging maayos yung pinag-usapan nyo, then why not? Pero kung wala na talaga, move on na lang. Move on na lang tayo.
Kung wala na talagang move on.
Kanya-kanya kasi talaga.
Yeah.
Pagkarapat dapat balikan, balikan. Pag hindi, tapakan.
Grabe naman yung tapakan, diba?
Brutal. Puntahan naman natin si Raven. Raven. Woo!
Hi po.
Yeah, ex.
Ako si Raven. First of all, thank you po sa lahat ng pumunta ngayon. Alam ko, Tuesday ngayon and may mga work kayo in school. But you still make time. Kaya sana mag-enjoy tayo po maghapon dito. I played the character of Rev po. I'm a new character for the Day I Love You Season 2. And naging surprise din ako dito. And super happy ako na natuloy ko yung Day I Love You.
Grabe yung titig sa'yo naman. Tatagalogin ko para hindi niya maintindihan. Grabe yung titig niya sa'yo.
Grabe.
Mamaya, tatanungin ko pa tanong yung isa ha. Tapos pansinin ba yung tingin niya sa'yo?
Sige.
Diba? O, so ito yung tanong ko sa'yo. Ang salbahe. Talaga hindi ko. Para hindi niya maintindihan. Raven, ang question ko, how do you know if you're ready kapag bumalik na ang iyong dating minamahal?
It applies to everyone naman. I think second chances, they exist naman. And minsan kasi may mga first love tayo, di ba? Tapos nagbe-break, hindi natutuloy yung mga plans kasi hindi pa kayo yung tamang version the other time. And you meet people along the way, new people, new experiences, maybe kailangan nyo mag-focus on like building yourself first. Then maybe when the time comes, you can rekindle things as long as deserving kayo, like, na-reciprocate ang isa't isa, yung love na yun. Then, second chances do exist naman. Yun po.
Iniwala ka dito.
Hindi ko alam eh. Ano ba yung love?
Pero second chances do exist.
Yeah. Of course.
O yan, pinapatranslate Huwag natin silang istorbohin.
Huwag na.
Pero ikaw, istorbohin mo yung blunt tea.
Oh, sige.
Okay, go.
Alright, so let's now go on. Of course, the love interest of Rev, which is Reynold. Tell us more about your role this time.
Hi everyone, my name is Reynold. I'm from Singapore. I think before that, I would like to thank Virtual Playground, Bitsy Play, and of course Rigo, Tarek Easy for making this happen again. I'm really excited to be back. I played the role of Eli, and I think, like in season 1, Eli, it's a bit cheeky, but of course you see a more emotional, grounded version of him.
All right. So I think we were talking about second chances in love a while ago. I don't know if you heard more banter. Oh, nakakaintindi ka ng Tagalog?
A little bit.
Oh, wow! Nakakaintindi siya ng Tagalog. Can you say something in Tagalog?
Magandang hapon.
Well, at least, so yeah. All right, Eli. Okay.
Nabahan ako ng slide.
Ako rin.
Lalo na yung director. Kasi marami na siyang naituro na hindi pwedeng pang-media. So yung kaba ko, di ba, napa-atras ako. Okay.
Buti na lang, di ba? Mali pala yung tatanong ko. Anyway, so here's your question. Is a second chance to fall in love more exciting or more scary? And knowing that this is also related to your role.
I think falling in love the first time is always the most exciting, right? Because it's when you have no expectations, everything is new, everything is fresh. But after getting your heart broken for the first time, I think it's always scary, right? Because you now have expectations of what's gonna happen. You're afraid what if the second time won't work out? But I think as people, we shouldn't be afraid to love. Because being afraid to love, it would deny you of finding your happiness. Am I right? Yes.
Wow! May pag-console.
Alis na tayo.
Di ba nagsushoot yan?
Oh, may nangyari.
Pag nawala po si Raven next week, alam niyo na kung nasan siya. Ibig sabihin nun, sumama po siya sa Singapore. Magbulat na lang kayo yung picture na siya dun sa sa Berlin. Nabit-bit na. Hindi na ako lalayo. Tatanungin ko na muna yung isa pang Blantina, ang ating director, Direct Easy. May question ako, kasi ngayon, di ba, sa age group natin, itong mga kabataan tulad natin, uso-uso kasi yung may in love ka, pero sometimes walang labels. Di ba, gusto na lang natin maramdaman, gusto na lang natin kiligin. So yung question ko, para sa'yo ba, do feelings really need labels?
So syempre, for me hindi ko alam kasi ako people ang tao na kailangan may assurance, kailangan alam ko kung nasan ako kasi ayoko nang nangangapa. Ayoko nang, so dapat may level. So once and for all, let's confront each other and settle things and ano ba talaga tayo. Kasi kung magkakasakitan lang kayo kapag hindi nyo alam kung ano kayo sa isa't isa.
Having said that, di ba, ang question ko na ay, what do you think ang aabangan ng viewers natin ngayong season 2? Anong bago?
Ayun na nga!
Ito na, di ba?
Actually, syempre, aside from the exciting new and some, talagang makikita natin kung paano tayo mababalik sa panahon na in love ulit tayo from a heartbreak. Lalo na in the context of college and yung mga kabataan, bata pa tayo, paano ba tayo nagmahal muli, paano tayo makamove on from pain, and paano tayo nanghanap ulit ng bagong taong mamahalin in an exciting new world. So lahat tayo makaka-relate dun kasi babalik tayo sa nostalgic feeling of being in love the second time around. So yung ganung klaseng cake. Kasi syempre yung bago dun is ma-feel natin kung ano yung bagong kwento at adventure na mararanasan ng ating mga cast from the previous season. Kung paano na sila nag-move on to their bigger world and to their alam mo yun, mas malaking scope ng kanilang physical and emotional work. Ayun.
Hindi na kita pakakawalan. Tuloy na natin to. Dahil ang susunod, I just wanted the cast to complete the sentence. Diba? Sisimulan ko yan with love is. Direct. Love is blank for you.
Patay.
Love is, for me, love makes the world go round. Totoo yun, kahit cliche siya pakinggan,
it's the most powerful force. If not, it's one of the most powerful forces that makes the world go. Lahat ng motivation ng tao, lahat ng desires ng tao, ng dreams ng tao is based on what he loves or who he loves. Yun.
Angelica, love is?
Love is blind. Kasi kapag nagmahal ka, hindi mo talaga alam kung anong mangyayari, yung mga possible reasons. But at the end of the day, kapag nagmahal ka, magmamahal at magmamahal ka ng totoo, nang walang expectations. Kaya love is blind.
Reynold, love
Tagalog,
is?
Tagalog.
Tagalog, Tagalog.
Don't put me on the spot.
Love is?
I think love is a blessing. Right? A lot of people want to be able to love, want to feel loved, but not everyone might be able to do that. So if you're loved, if you can love, you are blessed.
Raven.
Wala akong isa sir. Siguro, to be loved is to be known. Yun lang.
Wala maisip, pero ang deep, no?
Jake?
Love is everywhere. Kasi mabilis hanapin yung love pero mahirap hanapin yung totoong love.
Totoo din naman.
Ako for me, love is genderless. Kasi sa generation ngayon, parang I think love is more than those labels na ginagawa natin. And kasi pag tinamaan ka, hindi mo na rin masabi. So love is genderless.
Laza.
For me po, same with Jake, love is, for me naman, is everything. Kasi you can show it through caring, you can show it through small efforts and big efforts.
Caleb?
Love is what makes you go crazy. Kasi kapag mahal mo ang tao, nagagawa mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo alam na kaya mo palang gawin. In a good way, or sometimes in a bad way.
Grabe, okay.
Lahat yan dahil